This is the Bosch GCM 8 SJL mitre saw. It features precision, capacity, portability and a highly visible cut, and the 2-point dust extraction allows for much safer and cleaner working. With the modern trend towards wider laminate and solid flooring, crosscut capacity becomes a key feature. On the GCM 8 SJL, the maximum width of cut is an impressive 312mm, and it will cope equally well with material up to 70mm thick. Carpenters and joiners will find dozens of applications for this mitre saw. Easy to use mitre controls allow you to cut angles up to 52 degrees to the left and 60 degrees to the right, and they're all clearly marked on an adjustable stainless steel scale. There are detents at the commonly used angles, but you can override them like this for any intermediate fine settings. A real plus is the very easy to use side bevel lock lever for setting the bevel angles, so you don't need to reach over behind the saw. Everything is operated easily from the front. To set a bevel, just unlock with this lever, select the required angle on the scale and then relock. A unique 3-position turret stop allows quick setting of 22.5, 33.9 and 45 degree bevels, and a sliding stop enables you to undercut by 2 degrees at the 90 degree position if required. At extreme bevel angles, the left hand fence has to be slid back, but this is simple and it slides very easily. The fences are both drilled if you want to fit your own sacrificial or zero clearance wooden fences. There are integrated pull-out extension tables to increase the cutting support for longer workpieces. The saw is very easy to operate. A large switch on the handle releases the guard, which then flips back out of the way as you lower the saw head. This guard is completely clear, so you have excellent visibility. The vertical handle and switch positioning make this machine easy to use either right or left-handed. Dust extraction is particularly well catered for on the GCM 8, with a 2-position chute that maximises collection efficiency even when the saw head is pulled well out. One collection point always moves with the blade, so it will collect dust even on extended cuts. The machine is available in either 240 or 110 volt options, both having a powerful 1600 watt motor. It also has a very efficient brake, so the blade comes to a halt quickly. The blade is a 216mm diameter, 48 tooth with negative rake, so it cuts incredibly smoothly and quietly and leaves a super fine finish. Blade changing is quick and easy thanks to the very accessible spindle lock, and the necessary hexagon key is stored on board the saw. To maximise cutting precision, a laser is integrated into the upper guard, and this projects a sharp line across the full width of the table to indicate the saw cut. A simple tenoning stop that controls the depth of cut can be engaged for joint or trench cutting. There's a comfortable carrying handle on the top for easy portability, and the saw will sit on any convenient bench. However, if you team it with a GTA 2600 folding stand, the whole setup becomes a dedicated sawing station. The stand has pull-out extensions either side to support very long workpieces, and it also incorporates length stops for repeat cutting. So that's the GCM 8 SJL mitre saw. Its extended crosscut capacity and excellent dust extraction features combine to make it a serious machine for the professional user. And if you register your saw online within 4 weeks of purchase, the warranty is extended to 3 years. And whilst you're at it, why not join the Bosch Bob community to get knowledge and feedback from other professional users? The Bosch GCM 8 SJL mitre saw.